Today we're going to be looking at the EasyTrim flat disc from Norton. When you use a conventional flat disc, once you've worn away the flaps down to the backing plate, that means you've reached end of life or the disc is dead. With this disc, we can actually trim the specially formulated nylon plate down to the edge of the disc so we can release the flaps once more, therefore extending the disc's life, and we like to think of it in two discs in one. We also incorporated a new colour code grading system. So here we have the yellow disc, which is grit 40 or coarse. Then we have a maroon coloured disc, which is grit 60 or medium. Then we have a green coloured disc, which is fine at grit 80. And then finally, we have a blue coloured disc, which is very fine or grit 120. Okay, so let's see these discs in action. Before we do that, we've got to get on our safety gear. So our gloves, our glasses, and our ear defenders. As with all flat discs, this disc can be used to grind weld seams, remove scale, bevel edges, and for general material removal. In hard to grind applications, such as we can see here, we need to use the angle grinder at 45 degrees to increase pressure and aggression. The only issue with doing this is we wear the edge of the flaps away much quicker than normal. So I'm nearly down to the backing plate. So with standard discs, this is where I would call it end of life, so time to put the disc in the bin. But with the EasyTrim, we've got a little red line around the periphery of the disc, which shows you where you can actually trim the backing plate away from the flaps, therefore releasing new flaps that you can then use, extending the life of the disc. Let's show you how to do that. So to trim the disc, use any 90-degree sharp edge, such as this piece of metal here. Offer the disc to the metal. Keep trimming up to the red line until you see the blue colour of the backing cloth, and then you're done. Okay, so the disc is now trimmed. I've got a fresh edge of flaps, so I can now begin working again. Okay, so there we have it, EasyTrim. Started with a standard flat disc like this, did a lot of work on these components here, came to the end of the life. I trimmed back the backing plate, as you can see, and I was able to keep on working with the same disc. EasyTrim discs are available from your local Norton stockist. Visit our website for more details. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe on our Norton Abrasives YouTube channel.